Good evening.
Good evening.
Seems like a short time since we were here. Things have been progressing well, though, on the job since, even though it's been a short time since we were here. Going to the, I guess I got the little clicker, don't I? So progress since our last meeting, site grading, of course, it's continuing. The soccer field grading is near completion. And the cut and fill operation for the front parking lot is pretty much done now. The baseball and softball fields, grading keeps going. Concrete foundation work for the ticket booth and the field house are done. They also laid the low block at the field house today. Low block is complete with except of a small section in area D, so we can get in and out of the building. That'll be closed up pretty soon once the plumbers get done. Underslab rough ends in areas B, C, and D is in progress and will be completed within the next few weeks. Slab on grade at the band room and auditorium, we've got the gravel in, and actually yesterday they poured everything in the band room, band storage, auditorium except the slope. They'll be pouring the slope on Monday. And then the CMU walls in the gym area, the locker rooms and all, it's still in progress, getting ready for steel in about 2 weeks. Next goes me, huh? Like I said, upcoming work, complete underground rough ends, slab on grade pour and prep in B, C, and D. Like I just said, we're gonna pour the sloped area in the auditorium Monday and area C, the lower level. We'll set steel in area A starting on the 21st. Steel deliveries for the building will start soon. Set steel in areas B and C will be a few weeks out. We continue grading to the softball and baseball fields. Finalizing the grade on the football field. And we got to undercut the retaining walls that are around the football field. That'll be started soon as well. And then the roundabout utility work will be continuing. We're working with AEP to get that done. And hopefully our office trailer will get connected so we got power in there 24/7. Here's progressive photo here. This is baseball and field with excavation in progress. Here's the footers at the field house. This was on April 2nd. We were pouring them that day. This is the auditorium. We put the stone in late last week, so they've got it. Of course, this is now poured except for the slope. This is the ticket booth was poured about a week ago. Here's some of the block work going up around the gym, the locker room area. Over there to the right, at the upper right corner, you can see those openings. That is at the exercise weight room, and you'll be able to look over into the gym from those windows down into the gym. There's some columns that we have to pour. It's a fire portal that goes on each side of the corridor at the auditorium. It's a fire protection thing that we have to put in. So they're in progress. Here's some underground rough end. This is in the kitchen area. See a whole lot of conduit in the ground and plumbing in the ground. So this work is will be finishing up shortly. This is the lower level of the area C. This is all the underground ready, and this will be the area they will pour on Monday. And then we have some, I was hoping to have a video tonight, but we're going to go with the 3D again like we did last time. We're going to start at the rear entrance there and come up to the football field once she gets it going here.
Disclaimer, I'm not as good as Anthony and Hayden controlling this, so I'll try.
This will actually give you some idea of the elevations and different things that change. Yeah, so you'll come up that road there on the left, and then as you can see, that area there is where the football field is on the left, and you can see kind of there looking from the road that goes around the elevation of the football field. Fly over the ticket booth. So ticket booth will be here. That little eye thing is a canopy, and there will be a wall under there that we will have that where the CTE can do a project on to make it pretty cool. It's going around.
Which direction?
Let's see. Let's go over there to the bus parking lot area towards the right there. So bus parking lot you see there is pretty well graded. The front parking lot is pretty much graded. The rocks over there are for landscaping, so come on back around to the front of the school. All right, stop right there. Make it a little bit bigger. So you can kind of see now the walls are going up in the weight room, not the weight room, but the locker rooms and team rooms. You can kind of see how they're going up. Then we can see the auditorium here, the slope on the auditorium. Like I said, that slope will be poured Monday, but all the flat stuff was poured yesterday. And then on over to the right, there's some more. The earlier picture I showed you of all the rough-in plumbing and stuff. You can see there in the kitchen area. Back out a little bit. And then go on over to the right and up towards the top. That's your CTE spaces on lower level. That will be poured Monday. And then there on D will be poured, I think, either Wednesday or Thursday next week over there. So upcoming, like I said, by the 29th, all of the flooring will be poured. The first floor will be poured by the 29th of April. The steel will start on April 21st. And the steel will keep continuing going until it's all set. It's probably about a 15-week process to set the steel. Any questions or comments?
You probably said this since I came in late. Are we on schedule, ahead of schedule?
We are still just a little bit behind, a few days. Just the weather's been
Weather.
bad, but they are gaining. We were not supposed to pour that floor until today, and they got it poured yesterday. So that's one day we gained.
Right.
And then next week we'll probably gain at least another day or two. And they're working on Saturday and Sundays if they have to stay in front of everybody. So it's going to take us a little time because we probably lost 50 days with the weather through January, February, and all that. But they've got the schedule tightened up. They got people working over extra, trying to bring it all back in together at the same time. But it will be open in August of 2026.
26. That's where I was getting ready to go
Yep,
because I'm
it will
getting
be
lots of
open in
questions.
August of
and
2026.
People thinking that we're not. And
Yep, it will be.
I keep telling y'all are doing a good job.
So, any other questions or comments?
You seen any headwinds with any material or any equipment? lead
So far,
times?
we have not. The switch gear, which has been a problem over the past few years, it will be here around October, November, which will be about the time we want it. Because by October, November, the building will have to be dried in. The roof, the windows, the exterior walls up. May not have the brick all on and the siding, but it'll be dry. So we can, because it'll take the rest of that time to get all the finishes done inside. But the goal right now and their schedule is October, November-ish, it'll all be closed in, roof on it, dried in, and where we can work through the winter. And our hope is that we will be able to get the parking lots graded, curb and gutter in, and the base coat of asphalt down before winter. That will make it nice, so when next summer comes, all we gotta do is put the top coat of paving on. Like I said, the field house is moving along quickly. Ticket booth, they'll be laying the foundations for it, the lower block for that this week, probably tomorrow if it doesn't rain them out. So it's moving along real well. Any other questions? Okay, thank you.